People who swallow ugali and people who chew. I question, how do people like swallow ugali?
I would say, how do people chew ubugari?
Let's say, what's the whole point? Like,
no, ubugari is food first of all, and
Yes.
food is meant to be chewed.
yeah.
Okay, but there are exceptionals because ubugari is supposed to be eaten like that.
And let's say, how do you like test ubumirira just you just swallow it?
Ubugari deja doesn't have any taste.
Yes,
That's
it
why
does.
people eat ubugari.
Yes, it does.
Every time you have to eat ubugari, you have to make a very good sauce. Am I lying? No. I hope I don't understand people who eat ubugari with omelette. You know, there are people that do that.
Come on.